Thank you on this day, for we show love. The blessings that we share come straight from above.
We come together to give thanks. We take care of each other because that's what's right. Brothers, sisters, moms, dads, everyone's here. There's no fight.
The meals are blessed, the prayers are heard. God is in our presence, we're all understood.
The turkey's on the table, the cornbread's near beside, and all the other goodies keeps everyone with a smile. And yeah, we come together in one sweet harmony. And yeah, we give thanks on this day that we are all blessed to see. And yeah, we lift our voices loud and true for this blessed day. Me